Hello, today we're gonna see how to reset Alipay payment password. This is easy. The first step we need to do is open our Alipay app, and right here we're gonna click this option called account, and here we're gonna click this icon right here like a knot. We're gonna click this and we're gonna click this option called account and security. Once we click this option, we're gonna find this option called security center. Okay, once we click security center option right here, you're going to see all these options. The option that we're going to open is this called view more. We're going to see this, and we're gonna click this one, and right here you can click this option called password. Okay, and here you can reset your payment password clicking this option right here. It's really easy to do. I hope this video was helpful. Please comment and subscribe.